One reason you might be making late payments on your credit cards is too much gambling, only in certain parts of the States. Las Vegas Sands is allowing the sale of bonds and shares in Asia after lenders eased restrictions on its Macao loans. Let's get some more detail on what's going on here. Bloomberg's Beth Jinks is on the line from Vegas. Beth, Las Vegas Sands does need this money. What was the market impact?
Well, the shares rose immediately after the announcement. One analyst that I spoke to suggested that the market was perhaps expecting the concession from the lenders in Macau to involve a higher interest cost than what they signed. But today's announcement does pave the way for Las Vegas Sands to sell shares in Asia for its Macau assets and also potentially to sell some bonds.
I'll be visiting Macau to look at those assets tomorrow. As you're well aware, a lot of work ground to a halt last year because of the credit crunch. Does this mean LVS can now get things up and running again?
That's certainly been Chief Executive Officer and Chairman Sheldon Adelson's intention all along. He's been saying for several months now that his intention is to restart work on the mothballed projects. There are sites 5 and 6, he calls them, which are hotel developments that are half finished. He wants more financial freedom, more wiggle room with his covenants and various other credit lines to restart work. He still hopes before the end of this year.
Well, exactly. I mean, there's been talk of more fundraising down the road, including an Asian IPO. Much sign of that?
Well, today's news is the biggest step towards that. He needed the banks and the lenders there on the Macau facility to agree to these covenant changes and these various other plans that he has in store. So we're now waiting word from Mr. Adelson and Las Vegas Sands as to whether they pursue the strategy. He has said in the past that he has 6 or 7 different things he's looking at to raise capital for the Macau operations, and this seems to be the one that's progressed the furthest based on today's announcement.
Okay, Beth, thank you very much indeed for that. That is Beth Jinks of Bloomberg News.